So we are working on the costume that Beatrice comes out in the end. And we're making it out of plastic water bottles. So we're cutting them up into all kinds of configurations, and Ting Ting is putting it onto this base dress that we found. Ting Ting is going to really be the one to figure out all of the architecture. So we're collecting 1,000,000 water bottles. My costume practicum class is spending their afternoon cutting bottles into all kinds of different configurations. We're going to use every part of the bottle. We're using the caps in another costume, so there's a whole lot going on. This is all for the Servant of Two Masters.